Hello, this is Professor C.P. Prakasham, former professor, International Institute for Population Sciences, Mumbai. I will be discussing about multiple response analysis, how to analyze the multiple responses questions in the questionnaire by using the spaces under data analysis. Multiple response analysis for multiple response data. Here the analysis will be done for the multiple response set which have been coded is it either a dichotomous or categorical variables. Here we will be discussing about multiple response analysis for the multiple responses data. The multiple responses data will be as like this below. The categories of variables is an illustration as follows. Suppose you want to find out the agreement of a particular object, then strongly agreed, agreed, undecided, disagree, strongly disagree. Similarly, you want to find out the frequency of reading a newspaper. Very frequently, frequently, occasionally, rarely, very rarely, never. These are the examples of that. And importance of a particular object. Then you can also code not important at all, of little important, average importance, very important and absolutely essential. Like that you can make a scale of responses and then you can identify that. Here we can illustrate how the data for multiple responses format and also with an illustration. A researcher is interested to know the use of social media by the households in an urban and rural area. He has collected the data from available large survey and the data is as following format. The responses of frequency is coded as not at all equals to 0, less than once a week equals to 1, at least once a week 2, almost every day as 3, and then he has collected the data from the respondents who are reading the newspaper or listening to the TV or watching the TV or listening to the radio. This will give you the example of data format in spaces. If we see the labels, in the label frequency of reading newspaper, it has got the 4 options. 1, not at all, or number 1, at least once a week, and number 2 will be at least once in a week, 3 at least for every day, almost every day. Like that, this is for the listening to the radio, watching to the TV. That has been coded as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the responses will be coded in that fashion and given in the spaces format. We will try to understand how to analyze this multiple response. Here we will illustrate how to analyze by using spaces multiple response for the multiple response category. Go to the analyze, click and choose multiple response and define variable set. Click here and then bring all the variables whichever you want to make it a set here. We are interested to make the frequency of reading newspaper, frequency of listening to the radio and watching TV. Then since it is a categorical variable, then we will give the range. The range of the coding is given from 0 to 3. That we will identify here and then we will give the label for that. We are interested about the frequency of the mass media, then we will write as a mass media. Then we will give the label for that, that is the frequency of mass media. This is for our purpose. Then say add. Once you run, you find here the mass media will be there. Then for that we can generate the frequency. How to generate the frequency? Close it. Then again go to the analyze. Once you go there, you find multiple response, below that frequency and tabulation. click frequency and then you will find frequency of mass media, then bring it here in table and say OK. Once you click, the table is generated here. That we will discuss further. When you click analyze multiple response and frequency, output tables will be generated. One is the case summary and another is the frequency. The case summary table gives the number of valid cases and the total cases, and frequency will give us one is the number n and percentage of cases. The n is the number of responses of all households who have responded. There are 45,814 total number of respondents, and each respondent has got the choice of either 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Therefore, multiplied by 4, it will be 137,436 responses, which is the total column of n responses in the frequency table. Then the not at all, the responses given is not at all, it represents the 71.3% are the not exposed for mass media, 9.6% less than once a week, 7.9% at least once a week, and 11.3% almost every week are exposed for the mass media. This will give that the percentage cases column represents the number of responses for each respondent exposed for the mass media. That is, the total number of responses are 98023 for not at all, divided by total number of households or the cases, multiplied by 100. This will be 214%. But this will not equal to the 100% because there are the multiple responses are there. Therefore, that shows clearly 214 responses per 100 cases reveals that each respondent might have tick marked 2.14 responses out of the total responses. That is the multiple response of not at all. This column is not equal to the 100%. Like that we can find out. And there are multiple responses for not at all, very high than the other responses. Researcher is interested after calculating the frequency, you want to cross tab with rural urban. For that purpose, again go to the analyze, go to the multiple response and cross tab. Once you click, you will get a small window. Then down below you can see the multiple response set which already been prepared while developing the frequency, that is FMASS, FMASS, that is frequency of mass media. Then click that mass media and put it into the row. Once you click it and then bring the cross tabulation with the rural urban, which is coded as V025, then there is a question marks will be there. Down below you can see the define range. Then since the coded value of the urban rural is 1 and 2, then give 1 and 2. That is the option. Once you give the defined range, you will get the multiple response cross tab 1 and 2 and say continue. Once you continue, then go to the options and tick mark column percentages and continue. Once you did it, then you can find out the end table will be like this. That is the row wise FMASS and column wise V025, which is coded as 1 and 2, and then say OK. Once you say OK, you will get the, here is the cross tabulation output is generated by the SPSS. Here also you will find case summary and also cross tabulation with the rural urban. The conclusions can be drawn that from the multiple response analysis, large percentage of responses for not at all category indicates high percentage of households are not exposed for the mass media. By looking further down, the exposed to the mass media less than once a week, at least once a week, found to be more or less same in urban rural areas. Further down you can see that the almost large percentage of households express that they are exposed to the mass media, that is 81.2% almost every day, either reading newspaper or listening to the radio or watching TV in urban area, and whereas very less percentage, that is 26.5% in rural area. Like that we can conclude from the multiple response analysis. Here is the syntax for multiple analysis for the multiple responses. Here you can see that MULT or response group equals to, which you have already defined as a set, that is $F mass, that is frequency of mass media, and the variables, whatever variables you give, VV 157, 158, like that, for the four mass medias, under which has been coded as a 0 to 3. Minimum is 0, maximum is 3, and slash frequencies equals to, again you give $F mass media, MASS. Therefore here $F MASS is the defined set which you have already developed, or you can directly give that. After that you can see multiple response group for the cross tabulation. You give the same $F mass frequency of mass media with the variables, down below slash variables with the cross tabulation V025, that is rural urban, in bracket 1 and 2 categories, table and mass media by V025 slash cell, that is column percentage it will calculate, and it will give the base cases for that. Then this syntax can be copied according to your variables. You can change it, and then you can generate the multiple response for the multiple response analysis. Thank you very much. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. Also press subscribe button along with the bell next to that to receive updates. Thank you very much.